Hi everyone, if by mistake you permanently deleted files and folders from your Windows PC and you even emptied the recycle bin, there is still a way to recover these files and folders, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do this with a very easy to use tool called WinFRGUI. So WinFRGUI is a graphical user interface tool that is simple to use, and it is based on the Windows file recovery command line tool that Microsoft provides for free. So also WinFRGUI is a free tool that is developed and maintained by AOMEI Tech. So what I'll be covering in this video is first how to get WinFRGUI, and I'm gonna also talk about some precautions that you need to make so to increase your chances of a successful file and folder recovery. And also I'm going to be covering some scenarios like deleting a file and then recovering it, emptying the recycle bin, recovering a folder, and so on and so forth. So first let me show you how to install WinFRGUI. To install WinFRGUI, open your web browser and go to winfr.org. Now, while it is loading, I wanted to tell you that also WinFRGUI, you can find it in the Microsoft Store, but in the Microsoft Store, it is often that the version is older than the one that you can find here, so it's better to download it from the website. So on the left, click on download, and then click on download WinFRGUI. And here, I wanted to tell you about the precautions you need to make so that to increase your chances of successfully recovering the files and folders. So try not to write anything to the drive where you deleted the files from. So here in my examples, I'll be using the drives J and K, and I'm gonna save this downloaded file here to the drive C. So if you deleted, for instance, the files from drive C, try to save the file to another drive. If you don't have another drive, simply put a USB key in your PC and save the file to this USB key. So let me now save the file that is downloaded to my downloads folder. So I'm gonna click on save, and now the file is saved. Let's open the downloads folder to install WinFRGUI. So now to install it, double click on it and then click on yes. Here it will ask you to choose the language you want. I'm gonna keep it on English for me. And this is the wizard of the installation. Click on next, and it will open the website of WinFRGUI by default. So I'm gonna close it here. And you have a check mark saying if you want to launch WinFRGUI now. So now I'm not going to launch it. I'm going to uncheck this and then click on finish. In this first example, I'm going to show you how to recover a permanently deleted files from a drive that is formatted in NTFS using WinFRGUI. So here on the top of the screen, this is the drive where I have my pictures and videos. So this is a test drive. And on the bottom here, this is a recovery drive. I'm going to explain all this to you. So first, let's delete these two files here. So I'm going to press Shift and Delete on my keyboard. And this way, Windows will delete them permanently without them going into the recycle bin. So click Yes to delete them. And now we need to launch WinFRGUI to restore these files. So let's launch it. Click in the search bar and then type in WinFR. You're going to find WinFRGUI, the first one. So launch it. It will ask for permission administration, so click on yes, and here's the interface of WinFRGUI. The first thing you need to do here is to select the drive that you want to restore the deleted files from. So here in my case, it is the drive J. So here it is selected, and you need to select also the drive where you want to restore the files. So this is the second precaution I wanted to talk to you about. So if you're restoring files from drive J, you cannot restore them to the same drive because it will overwrite the empty space on the drive where your deleted files might be. So you need to select another drive. So here I'm gonna select my USB drive, which is this one. So it is on drive G. And then I'm gonna click OK, so to select it. Now you have under scanning mode, two options. You have quick scan and you have deep scan. If you have an NTFS partition that you want to restore files from, quick scan will be selected by default. So now to start the scan of the drive and to restore the deleted files, all we have to do is click on Start Recovery. And you see it found two files that were deleted. So you can click here on View Recovered Files. This way it will open the target USB drive, but I already opened it here. So I'm going to refresh it simply by pressing F5 on my keyboard after selecting it. And you see here that it created a folder. It is called Quick Scan J for the drive name that we restored the files from. And inside this folder, you will find recovery with the date and timestamp. And then if you open it, you're going to see the two files that I just deleted. So let me open them so for you to see them. So this is the first one, and see how it opens without any problem. And this is the second one. And now all you have to do is to drag them back to the folder where they were deleted from if you want to restore them to this folder. Now, the second example I want to show you is also I'm going to be deleting these two files, but this time I'm going to delete them without permanently deleting them, and then I'm going to empty the recycle bin, and I'm going to show you how you can retrieve them from the recycle bin. So let's first empty the recycle bin here completely, and then let's delete these two files. So delete here, so they will go into the recycle bin. Let's empty the recycle bin once again so that it will be permanently deleted from the recycle bin. And here in WinFR, you can click back to home page, and always under drive J, I want to restore these two files that were deleted, and now that they were also emptied from the recycle bin. I'm going to keep save to G here by default, and I'm going to keep it on quick scan. So let's click on start recovery, and now it should find these two files in the recycle bin, and also it found other files from the recycle bin. So let's go to the G drive once again. It's always under quick scan because we did a quick scan. Let's open it, and it is the second one. So this is the one that we just did. Let's open it to see the files in it. And you see that it found the files in the folder recycle bin. Open it again, and then again. And here you see all the files that it restored. And notice here that the name of the files changed because it was in the recycle bin. So you need to open the file, or you can put here the view like extra large icons so that you can see which file is your file. So you see this is the file that was deleted, and this is the other file. And here you can simply select them also and restore them. In my third example here, I'll be deleting this folder completely, and I'll be restoring it with WinFRGUI. So let's delete it, Shift Delete on the keyboard, and press yes to confirm the deletion. And now let's go to WinFRGUI and save to always to the G USB drive. And the scanning mode, I'm going to keep it on quick scan also. And I'm going to click on start recovery, and we should find the folder that we just deleted. And see here, it found 4 files. So let's go to the drive G and open quick scan G, because it also put it under quick scan G because we use the same method on the same drive. And this is the last one here, and see the timestamp, and open it. And you're gonna see that it restored the videos also that we just deleted. So if I open it, I have the 3 videos here that were deleted. Let me show them to you. And here they are. And also here you can restore all the folder if you want to its original location. And let me now perform the same example, but this time I'm gonna delete the folder and then empty it from the recycle bin like we did with the file. So let me delete the folder. And now let's go to the recycle bin and then empty the recycle bin. And now let's run the scan once again. Let's refresh the drives, select the drive J, and then G, it is here also the USB drive, quick scan, and then click on start recovery. And let's go here, press F5. And this is the recovered files from the recycle bin. Let's open it and recycle bin. And you see this is the recycle bin, and the folder name changed, but the videos names will not change. So I'm going to open it, and you see we have the 3 videos here that were restored, and their name was also kept as it was. So here, if you want to restore them, you can restore them also to their original location. Now, the 4 examples that I just showed you were on NTFS partitions, where you can use the quick scan to retrieve files. Now I'm going to show you an example on a FAT32 partition where you cannot use the quick scan. So you need to use the deep scan. So let's switch to screen recording once again. And this is my FAT32 partition here. And I have a folder with some music files here. So let's say, for instance, that I deleted this folder permanently. So I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to select the K drive, which is this one, the FAT32 drive here. And you notice as soon as I selected it, the scanning mode went to deep scan, and you cannot select quick scan anymore. So let me click on start recovery while deep scan is selected. And when you choose deep scan, it will take more time than with quick scan, of course. And while the scan is running, I wanted to tell you that you can also use deep scan on NTFS partitions, and this will permit you to restore, for instance, files that were deleted long time ago So now the deep scan finished. Let's go to the drive G where I restored it. Press F5 to refresh it. And see here, it created a folder called Deep Scan K. Let's open it. And this is the recovery folder. And you see that it recovered the files by their types. So it created a folder and it called it MP3. It didn't recreate the music folder, but because all the files in the folder were .mp3 files, it created a folder called mp3. If I had other types of files, it will create also other folders for the other types of files. So let's see if all the files were restored. So the files were restored, but their names changed. And here, like, you need to see what files you need to restore, but at least you can restore them. So let me play one of the files. And it plays without any problem. Now, what I still want to show you very quickly is the advanced options of the WinFRGUI. So let's go back to the home page here. And under Deep Scan, the advanced options won't show you like many things. It's only the sectors of the drive. So I'm going to cancel here. I'm going to select an NTFS partition. And then if you select Quick Scan and then you click Advanced Settings, and here you can see the advanced settings that you can change. So for instance, if you want to only restore videos, you can select videos. If you want to restore also like an extension that is custom to you, you can put it here and it will restore it. And here you can also select the folders where you want to scan to restore files. I hope that this video was useful to you. In case it was, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.